This video will give you a quick guide on how to use your EL Glow app. Firstly, you want to locate and connect to your kit. It should be under the name Hardtuned. This will take you to our main screen. From here, the first thing you want to do is go to channel 1 and click the 3 dots. This will take you to our color calibration sequence, ensuring your colors are accurate. Repeat this step again for channel 2. After that, you are ready to start using your app. You can choose between channel 1 and channel 2 individually. This will control your left and right side of your kit. Or if you have an interior kit, one will control your interior, the other your exterior. If you click all channels, this will take you to our dynamic animations. Here you can choose from pre-made animations, and in some selected animations you can choose the color. You are also able to reverse the animation direction and change the brightness, speed, and effect length in here. Next, you have our solid color section, where you can choose whatever color you want. Change the color manually, adjust the brightness, or you even enter custom RGB inputs. We recommend spending some time in the app learning how it all works.